Direct and indirect speech. Direct speech is usually placed inside the quotation marks and accompanied by a reporting verb, signal phrase, and causative phrase. Examples: BG asked Gerald, "Are you single?" The dentist told me, "Don't eat candy too much." Nina said, "You must study now." Rika said, "I have studied hard for the final exam." Indirect speech, also called reported speech or indirect discourse, is a means of expressing the content of statements, questions, or other inference without quoting them explicitly as is done in direct speech. I am coming over to watch television. How do people manage to live in the city? I will come to your birthday tomorrow. I have painted the wall.